Okay, that completes our introductory course for Excel for data analysts. Excel is a really powerful tool to have at your disposal as a data analyst, and it's still very heavily used across the analytics industry. While this is just an introductory course, and there's a ton of things that you can learn about Excel with a lot more formulas and all these crazy keyboard shortcuts that'll make you really efficient, the bulk of what you learned here today is going to be what you're going to use day to day on the job as a data analyst. Now, if you want to keep learning more about Excel, I really encourage you to check out all the documentation that's available on Microsoft's website, and feel free to play around with any of the data that you have here inside of Excel. You're not going to break anything, so just go ahead and have some fun. If you're looking for some more data sets to work with, you can always pick up the other data sets as part of my course series, or there's a lot of data that you can download from different applications that you use today. For example, you could download your credit card transactions, Amazon billing statements, your phone records, or even some of your social media history. So with that, I hope that you really enjoyed this course here, and I really hope to see you in the rest of the courses in my series on becoming a data analyst. In the remaining courses in my course series, you're going to learn all the things that you need to know about SQL, the database, creating visualizations inside of Tableau, and you're going to learn how to craft your own resume, build a portfolio, and even prepare for job interviews. So I want to thank you again for investing in yourself and focusing on enhancing your skills to make you a better data analyst, and I wish you the best on your analytics journey.